today we are going to start with the motors module, that is module number 6. In that we are going to study very important topic that is called as an AC servo motors. So AC servo motors is basically involved with respect to induction motors where your single phase, three phase motors has been used. As you people, as you students has been very much not classified between where we have to use speed, torque characteristics and single phase or three phase induction motors. When the word comes with respect to DC motors and AC motors, you should be very much aware that DC motors is being classified into parallel motors, shunt, that is called as a shunt motors, series motor, compound motors. And when it comes to AC motors, that is your AC servo motors, it is being classified as single phase, three phase induction motors. In that, one of the motor is AC motors. Okay. Now, over here in your servo motor, it has been shown that there is a feedback signal when which is called as a control voltage. And this control voltage from servo motor is very much important. Control AC voltage, control voltage, and a rotor is being connected over here. Rotor, can you see the circled one with the bubble? It is called as a rotor. Now, the control winding which is being shown over here, the control winding, the main winding, now we are going to study with respect to stator. Now what I will be doing is, specifically first we will start with rotor explanation. So I will just read. Rotor consists of parallel conducting bars placed in squirrel cage typed rotor. These conductors are short circuited with the help of end rings. Now, the word which is being used over here is a squirrel cage. It is a type of rotor. There are different types of rotor over here. A squirrel cage type of rotor is being used in servo motors, and how it has been shown that it is short circuited with the help of end rings. When you will be coming further for studying your AC motors, you will be coming across the word called as an poles, where many things ns minus s, such kind of things you will be coming across, and that will be related to ns, that will be related to synchronous speed. Second, stator. Move ahead. Stator, over here it has two coils wound on poles of stator. One winding is main winding, to which constant AC voltage is being supplied. Can you see the main winding over here in the diagram? He is saying that the main winding, which is the upper diagram over here, it is being connected with respect to stator. This is called as in stator. Okay. And he's saying the AC voltage is having a constant voltage. For example, I'm saying that there is a 230 voltage which is coming with respect to this main winding. So it will be having a constant voltage. ऐसा नहीं है कि 5 voltage होगा, 6 voltage होगा. So this will be a constant voltage which is being connected to main winding, and it is related to stator. And another winding you can see over here, it is called as a control winding, which is the control voltage. So both these windings are being with respect to your stator, and as the word is being used as a control winding voltage from servo amplifier and servo, that is why the control voltage and servo motor itself says that whenever the servo word is being used, control word should come into contact with it. And then when the control voltage with respect to AC supply, then the servo amplifier. What do you mean by servo amplifier? Servo amplifier means what? If any of the signals has been applied at an input, the output you will be getting an amplified signal. So if everything is in AC signal only, if the AC signal is small signal, so a large signal you will be getting at an output which is related to the amplifier. Now, these two coils are kept, these two windings are being related to coils. These two coils are kept 90-degree apart from each other. Okay. Therefore, the two voltages applied, these two windings are having the phase difference of 90 degrees. Why this servo motor is specially called, why this name, it should have been named as a normal AC motors, but why the servo word is being used? Because first of all, it gives you two windings. First one is main winding, second one is control winding. Okay. Then over here the main thing, control voltage is being used, and then After this, this was the second point, which it deals with your normal motors and servo motors. The third point, it keep this windings keeps you apart 90 degree from each other, and it is having a phase difference of 90 degrees. So whenever the question comes, what is the difference between the your AC motors? Yes, AC motors and DC motors. So when AC motors we are talking about, especially the AC servo motors, we have to say that it is having both the main winding and control winding having a phase difference of 90 degree, and due to this 90-degree phase difference, rotating magnetic field will get produced, which is being used to rotate the rotor. Why this 90 degree is being used? Again, I am repeating that this 90-degree phase difference will is rotating the magnetic field, which will be produced, and it is used to rotate the rotor. It has to, why 90 degrees being used to rotate the rotor. Next page, we are going to start with the application. So the application over here, sewing machines. You have seen in the household appliances, sewing machines where a motor is being attached. Now, earlier days we used to we used to step by our legs, right? We have to take the help of our legs. एक minute, 1 minute. Okay. Now, robots, portable drilling machine, instrument servo motors, speed characteristic. Can you see over here? Torque speed characteristic. This torque speed characteristic is dealing with shunt DC motors, and if it is a shunt DC motors, but if you want to include with respect to AC servo motors, a control voltage indication should be shown in the characteristic. Then only you can say that this torque speed characteristic will be related to your AC motors. I hope you have understand this topic, and we are going to start with the next topic, that is called as an BLDC motors, which is called as an brushless DC motors. Thank you for watching your AC servo motors. Thank you.